Mathematics Part 2 Standard 10th. Chapter number 6 Trigonometry. Problem set number 6. We are solving question number 5, example number 10. That example is like this. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now when we solve the left hand side, it is given, and when we prove that left hand side is exactly equal to the right hand side, at that time this example can be proved or will be solved. So we have to take first LHS, that is left hand side. So we have to write here sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to. Now we have taken the negative sign out of the bracket. So we can write here the term cos theta, which is having the negative sign, into the bracket. The sign will be changed, that is positive cos theta. Now when we have taken negative sign is out of the bracket, so we have to write here minus 1. Now sin theta, denominator is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. If we consider sin theta is A and cos theta minus 1 is B, so A minus B we have written. Now we have to multiply this term by A plus B, that is sin theta plus into bracket cos theta minus 1 upon, if we multiply the numerator by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, we have to repeat this term for the denominator also. So we have written like this, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now A minus B and A plus B, so we have to write like this, A square minus B square, it means cos theta minus 1 bracket square. Now we have to multiply this term sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. This is repeated. It means each of the term from this term sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, each of these term we have to multiply this whole bracket. So sin theta multiplied by sin theta, we have written here sin square theta, sin theta multiplied by cos theta, sin theta cos theta, sin theta multiplied by minus 1, that is minus sin theta. Now the second term we have to multiply cos theta multiplied by sin theta, cos theta dot sin theta, it means cos theta multiplied by sin theta, cos theta multiplied by cos theta, it is cos square theta, cos theta multiplied by minus 1, that is minus cos theta. Now minus 1 term we have to multiply by this minus 1 to hold in these terms, 3 terms. So minus 1 multiplied by sin theta minus sin theta, minus 1 multiplied by cos theta minus cos theta, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 1, minus minus plus, equal to sin square theta. Now we are solving this term, this bracket, by A minus B bracket square. So A square means cos square theta minus 2AB, 2 multiplied by cos theta multiplied by 1 plus B square, it means 1 square, that is 1. So sin square theta, we are taking nearer to the sin square theta, cos square theta. We have written like this. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, we know this term identity, plus sin theta cos theta and cos theta sin theta. These two terms repeated. So 2 sin theta cos theta we have written here. Now cos theta, these two terms having the negative signs. So as these are negative signs and repeated, it means minus 2, those will be added. sine theta minus sine theta and again minus sine theta, so minus 2 sine theta plus 1 equal to sine square theta minus, we are opening the bracket by negative sign, minus cos square theta, minus minus multiplied term, that is plus cos theta, and minus plus opposite signs of these two terms, minus multiplied by plus 1, that is minus 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. This term, identity by identity, the value of this sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sine theta plus 1 equal to. Now we can write here sine square theta minus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus 1. So this positive term we have written here 2 cos theta minus cos square theta minus sine we have taken again from the bracket. So we can write here 1 minus sine square theta, because we know that 1 minus sine square theta, that is equal to cos square theta, and cos square theta, and here is also the cos square theta term. So these two terms will be added. Here 1 plus 1, that is 2, 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus 2 sine theta cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sine theta. Like this we can solve the example. The next step of this example is equal to 2 cos theta minus cos square theta by identity 1 minus sine square theta, that is equal to cos square theta, upon 2 we have taken out of the bracket, so 2 into, we have to take nearer to the any term, that is 2 cos theta or 2 sin theta, 2 minus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta equal to, numerator is 2 cos theta minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. We can add these two terms, minus 2 cos square theta. Now we have to take common from these both terms. 2 is common, 1 minus cos theta into the bracket plus 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta from both these terms we have taken common. So we can write here cos theta minus 1. Now here, if we take common from this above term, that is numerator, from the numerator 2 cos theta, so we have to write here 1 minus cos theta upon, if 1 minus cos theta is the above term, so we have to take on the denominator also 1 minus cos theta, so 1 minus cos theta. Now here we have to convert this term into 1 minus cos theta, so negative sign we have to take out of this bracket, minus 2 sin theta, 1 minus cos theta. See here, so 2 cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, it is in the bracket, 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta from these both these terms. This term is taking common, 2 is also common from both these terms. We can write here in the next term 2 minus 2 sin theta, 1 minus cos theta, those are taken in the bracket, and in the second bracket 2 minus 2 sin theta. So we can write here 2 cos theta, 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. From this bracket we have taken 2, 1 minus sin theta remains in the bracket. So these 2 is cancelled, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, that is also cancelled, and we can write here the term cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. If we divide this numerator and denominator by cos theta like this, cos theta upon 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. So cos theta, those are cancelled, and in the numerator 1 remains. 1 upon cos theta by trigonometrical ratio, we can write here sec theta, and sin theta upon cos theta, it means tan theta. So we have proved that is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, that is right hand side. So we can write here the original example, that is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. It is exactly equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Like this, we have proved this. You see here. Thank you, student.